folks, and welcome to the Night Vision Show. It's Cathal here from Scott Content International in Northern Ireland, and tonight I'm out in some foxes, and tonight it's a big test for two new products. One is the Hick Micro Alpax 4K with the review coming very soon. Well, tonight the main review is going to be of these guys, Pulsar Merger XQ35 LRFs, the compact version of the new Merger range. These things are absolutely amazing. I have loved them. I absolutely love them. These are my first binoculars in thermal, and these are absolutely amazing. The LRF's a big help, which is one of the main reasons why the guy sent me over the non-LRF version. To me, I don't think you need two LRFs. If you've got one on your binos or your thermal, or one on your spotter or whatever, you only need one for your gun. That's just my idea of it. Look, everybody has their own opinions, but that's just my own. So tonight, I'm out with these guys. I'm really looking forward to getting them out again. I've been using them constantly now on some deer, on some foxes, and the guys have been absolutely amazing. So check out some of the videos that I've captured and the rest of this video. So guys, there we are. That is my review of the Pulsar Mergers XQ35s and LRF. Absolutely phenomenal bit of kit. I've really enjoyed testing these out. And a big thanks to Scott Content for sending them over to me to get them tested out. Honest review of them, what can I say? Really, there's not really much else I can say. The only downside I have on them is the 12x zoom is a bit blurry. But again, you're working with a digital zoom in thermal, so blurriness is what you're going to get. And again, if you need to zoom in 12 times for something that far away, you're just too far away. So if you're interested in products like Pulsar, Hick Micro, Infrared, maybe some Zeiss, stuff like that there, make sure and check it all out at www.scottconthry.co.uk, and make sure you head over to our Facebook page as well, Instagram page, and of course TikTok. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe there, and as well here guys, leave that like and subscribe down below. leave a comment down below maybe of what product you want to see tested, or maybe of what you're thinking about buying, you want to see it tested out before you buy it, or maybe something you own and you're not too sure how to use it. Leave it all down below. We'll make sure and do as best we can to help you out. So until next time guys, thanks for watching.